Thank you. I'll follow you, Bob Poplin. And where are you from? Sorry guys, it's noisy here. I can't even put music on Bigo. What the fuck? Pati yung stickers, di ko ma-remove. Ito, tsaka, yan. Damn. Thank you. So hot. Thank you guys. Tingnan ito si Bob Boplin. Buti pa siya nagbibigay. Do you wanna avail? Hindi ko siya may strap daw kasi tingnan nyo. Ano, nakaparang pa-X siya sa likod kaya hindi ko siya hindi ko na kaya. May tuko pa dito pang ina naman, nagsama-sama na. By the way guys, I live on the mountain area, kaya ganito. Ang daming nadaan ng mga cars. Tapos, mga animals, ang dami rin. Oh, thank you. You like it? Putang ina. Okay, should we do a live stream later? Like nighttime here in the Philippines. We like it, baby. Saan ba place na yan? Secret. Oh. Guys, you wanna ask me questions? You wanna ask some questions? Nagpapa-oras lang ako. Tingnan mo, ilang minutes pa. Oh, thank you for sharing my live. 15 minutes. Damn. Ah. Bad boy. Okay. I'll take you out, bitch. Done. Itong ina yung gago creepy. I can't. Follow back, baby ko. Okay. Done. Wait lang. Putang ina. Saan kaya may may dito? Ay, hindi ko pala kaya yun. And brokas pa. Grabe ka, Lods. Okay. Guys, should I make a TikTok account and I post their stuff on that account? Should I do that? We miss you so much. Nag-breakfast? No, I haven't yet. Di pa ako nag-breakfast. You're like, lahat? So you na miss. Where ba? Do you have Telegram? Yeah. At ganun yung skin color ko pag umaga. Parang morena na ewan. Pero sa personal guys, maputi ako. The fuck. Okay. Breakfast ka na po muna. Why? Di pa ako nakaka 1 hour o tingnan mo ilang minutes pa lang. 17 minutes pa lang. Ang dry na oh. Should I cut my hair? Look. Sorry, it's not healthy. Like mga lang. Yan, ganyan. Ang ina, ayoko. Hey. So guys, may friend ako na dito sa Cavite. Nakilala ko siya nung high school.